Hey, I'm Alex from Marc's Mobility. In this video, we're going to go over our top 4 picks for airline approved travel power chairs currently on the market today. So stay tuned to this video review. All right, so number 4 on our list is going to be the ComfyGo product. So it's not going to be one specific product like we're going to have for the top 3, but here at number 4, we want to highlight the ComfyGo brand in particular for the main couple reasons that this is going to be a little bit of a cheaper price point as compared to some of the other units because it is not a carbon fiber type folding unit. So it does fold up. They do have an auto folding, they have a manual folding, they even have an auto recline, but these units are going to be a little bit heavier since the material is not going to be carbon fiber. But once again, the price, if price is a concern, then I would definitely take a look at these. A couple of things to highlight with ComfyGo as well is you are going to be able to customize the unit. They are going to have different color frames and then also different color seat cushions that you can upgrade onto the unit as well. And then you are going to have 2 different battery packs on here. So you are going to have an airline approved battery pack, or you can purchase it with a non-airline approved battery pack. So that's just important to know while you're traveling, whether it's a cruise or on a plane, because there are going to be certain restrictions with lithium batteries. One other key feature too that's really good about this unit is all of the ComfyGos do come with a wireless remote. I think that's pretty unique too in the industry as well, and it does track up to about 60 yards of distance away from the unit. Just a note, you are not able to turn the unit on from the wireless remote. You do have to have the unit on before you can pair it, so it's not one you can wake it up and call it back to you. But once it is on, you can have an attendant, a caregiver drive it, or if you don't want to hold the joystick, you can hold that in your hand. So based on these reasons, this is why the ComfyGo in general, the brand, is going to come in at number 4 on my list. Number 3 on my list is going to be the Jazzy Carbon 27 by Pride Mobility. Now I will mention that this is going to be the lightest weight unit on this list at only 27 pounds. Once again, this is going to come only with an airline approved battery, so there's not going to be battery options for this one, but it is going to come standard with the airline cruise ship type battery. If you're not familiar in the market, batteries need to be under 300 watt hours to be able to be approved on a cruise ship or an airline, and this battery is. There are going to be a couple different colors, like a blue and kind of a darker cherry type color on the unit. And once again, the 27 pounds is just fantastic with this airplane type carbon fiber material that they were able to incorporate on the unit. I mean, a couple drawbacks, it's not going to be as comfortable as what I'm going to get to number 2 and number 1 on my list. But if price is a concern for you, it is going to be a little bit more expensive than, let's say, the ComfyGo, but it is definitely going to be the lightest weight. So once again, if every pound does matter in what you're lifting, 27 total pounds with this unit with the battery removed, the Jazzy Carbon 27, number 3 on my list. Number 2 on my list is going to be the Jazzy Carbon HD. Now this is going to have a 400-pound weight capacity. So I want to start off right in the beginning and say that there's nothing else on the market that is going to be at this weight and then also have the 400-pound weight capacity. So this unit with the battery removed is only going to be about 32.5 total pounds. Once again, this one does come standard with a non-airline approved battery, but you are able to purchase an airline approved battery as well. So I just want to mention that it is an optional upgrade if you do need the airline approved battery. But some of the great features on this unit is you are going to have the larger seat size on there, a 20 by 20 inch seat cushion. You can see the foot plate as well as a larger of a foot plate with 2 points of contact on there for more stability on the foot plate. And it is going to come in a couple different colors as well. The only negative would be is, yes, it is HD, so you are going to be a little bit wider than some of the other units that we mentioned. But once again, this is 400-pound capacity. Everything else on this list is only going to be around a 300-pound weight capacity. So this is going to have the highest weight capacity, and it is going to be the higher price point out of everything on this. But if you are looking for something that has a 400-pound weight capacity and is under 33 pounds, there's nothing close on the market that comes to number 2 on my list, the Jazzy Carbon HD. Before we get to number 1, I also want to mention that if you do leave a comment below, positive, negative, on whatever you like on this list here, give us your opinions. And if you do end up purchasing one of these 4 products, we are going to send you a free arm bag with your purchase. Arm bag is going to go right over the arm of any of these chairs. It is nice. It's going to hold your cell phone, your wallet, and a couple other accessories. So make sure you leave a comment below and we'll send you a free arm bag with your purchase. And I also want to mention that all of these products are going to have links below in the description. And now on to number 1. All right, so now number 1 on my list is going to be the Jazzy Ultralite by Pride Mobility. I can tell you that number 1 through 3 on this list are all made by Pride Mobility, and in my opinion, Pride Mobility is the gold star in this industry. They have the best customer support, technical support, just across the board. They make a fantastic product. The Jazzy Ultralite is a folding unit. Obviously it's airline approved, and you can get an airline or a non-airline approved battery in the unit, but what makes this great is it is going to be a lower price point than the other 2 carbon fiber units that came out on the market, and you're only going to be sacrificing a few pounds because this is going to be about 32.5 pounds with the battery removed, but what you're gaining is going to be a little bit deeper of a seat, a larger footplate, and a much more comfortable ride. The way it latches and the way it folds is also an excellent feature on this unit because it does snap while it's closed, and then obviously it snaps when it's unfolded as well to be in the driving position. It is going to come standard with a cup holder, and then also the footplate on this unit is going to be a nice, sturdy, stable footplate with plenty of leg room as compared to some of the other items that might be on the market currently today. So overall, I don't have any knocks on the Jazzy Ultralite. It's been out for a couple years. We've sold hundreds of these units and had many, many happy customers. So we would ask that if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below or feel free to give us a call. We would love to speak to you.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.